Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive business management system. In this video, we'll guide you through the accounting function, specifically the purchase invoice under the Accounts Payable tool. Let's get started. Once you log into Parsimony, navigate to the Accounting module by clicking on the Accounting option in the top menu. Here, you'll find various accounting features to manage your finances effectively. To access the Accounts Payable tool, navigate to the Accounts Payable. This feature allows you to manage your company's outstanding payables, payments history, and overall accounts payable. Now, let's create a new purchase invoice for a supplier. Click on the New button to begin. Here, you need to fill in the necessary details. Start by selecting the supplier from the drop-down list. Enter the date and due date in the respective fields. Enter the item details, such as the product or service provided, quantity, and rate. Once you've entered all the relevant information, click on the Save button to save the sales invoice, then submit. Great! You've successfully created a purchase invoice. By utilizing the purchase invoice under Accounts Payable tool, you can easily manage your company's outstanding payables and maintain accurate records of your accounts payable. That concludes our brief tutorial on the Parsimony accounting function, specifically the purchase invoice under Accounts Payable tool. Thank you for watching this tutorial.